This much of cottage cheese I have made out of 2 liters of this whole cream milk, and this much of cottage cheese I have made fresh and pure homemade cottage cheese has been made. And this hay water I will use for making curd curry. I will add 1 cup of curd into this cheese hay water and will make creamy curd curry. That's all. You too can make just this fresh cottage cheese at home with this full cream milk. Thanks for watching. Bye.